Understanding the invalid stream error. The invalid stream error on your Tesla Model 3's Spotify player typically means the car can't reliably stream music data from Spotify's servers. This is often due to interruptions in your internet connection, such as cellular or Wi-Fi issues. It can also be caused by issues with cached data or problems with your Spotify account authentication. It's rarely a hardware issue. First, ensure your Tesla has a strong and stable internet connection. Try streaming music using Tesla's built-in radio or another streaming service to rule out a general connectivity problem. If you're using cellular data, check your signal strength. If on Wi-Fi, ensure you're connected to a reliable network. Consider switching between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if that resolves the issue. A simple but effective fix is to disconnect and then reconnect your Spotify account within the Tesla's infotainment system. First, navigate to the Spotify settings in your Tesla. On the center console screen, go to the Media section and select Spotify Settings. Next, choose to log out of your account. This disconnects the current session. Then log back in using your Spotify credentials. Enter your username and password to reconnect. This refreshes your authentication and can resolve many streaming errors. Corrupted or outdated cache data can prevent Spotify from streaming correctly in your Tesla Model 3. To clear the cache, navigate to the Service menu in your Tesla's settings, sometimes found within Software or Controls. Look for options like Clear Cache or Media Cache to remove the old data. Alternatively, perform a soft reset by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen reboots. This forces the system to fetch fresh data from Spotify, resolving the streaming issue. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause the invalid stream error. To restart the infotainment system, locate the scroll wheels on the steering wheel. Press and hold both scroll wheels simultaneously. Hold until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears on the screen. This restart process will take a few moments. After the system reboots, try playing your Spotify content again to see if the invalid stream error is resolved. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that include improvements and bug fixes for the infotainment system, including Spotify integration. Make sure your Tesla is running the latest software version by going to Software in the car's settings and checking for updates. Install any available updates, as these often address known streaming issues. Tesla's V12 software, released late 2025, includes a media diagnostics tool located in the vehicle settings. This tool allows you to self-diagnose media-related issues, including Spotify streaming problems. To access it, navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Media Diagnostics. Run the diagnostic to identify any specific errors and follow the recommended solutions. The tool can automatically detect and fix common problems, such as API incompatibilities, saving you time and potentially avoiding a service visit. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the invalid stream error persists, it might indicate a more complex issue. Contact Tesla support through the Tesla app or website. Provide details about the steps you've already taken and any error messages you've encountered. Tesla support can provide further assistance and potentially identify underlying problems requiring a service appointment.